Where are you going to?
Me, Oga? Am I not your baby again?
You're my baby boy. Where are you going to?
We are going inside, of course.
To do what now?
Baby, why are you acting like you are a stranger now? We are going inside.
See, let me tell you. I don't understand. What are we going there to do? This is not what we planned for now. You said I'm going to change my phone today, but you have not done anything. So what are we going there to do?
Baby, let me tell you, things will get better.
When?
Maybe things will get better very soon. You don't have to give up on me like that. Maybe now that you want to give up is the day that things will even get better. You don't know that one. This might be the last time that I will tell you that things will get better.
Hello? Alhaji.
When?
Alhaji, what is keeping you? Up to this time, you cannot send me common 15 million naira. 15 million, you're delaying me. Ordinary 15 million. I said 15 million, not 2 million. 15 million naira. Send it now. Yeah, send it already.
You're looking cute though.
Me cute?
Honestly.
This is what people normally say, that I'm cute.
They are not wrong.
They are not wrong.
Landlord, I don't understand what you are doing. This is a girl I brought from so far that I want to go inside with. Why?
Agidiba, did I drag the girl from you?
You did not drag her from me, but you should have sent her back when she came to you.
I can't do that. I cannot send her back. Do you know what is here? Listen, she was talking money, not love. Because if I leave you now, you kill her with love. Women don't need love again. What they need is money. Baby, can love put food on your table?
No.
Can love buy you a bone straight head?
Where? No.
Can love take you to Dubai? One nigga go and make money. Money is what they need, not love. Big boys don't talk love, they talk money. Baby, can you follow me in?
Let's go inside.
Come back in. Let her come in. Go and make money. See you later.
Just like that, the girl I just bring. Hey! Now for this life, person need make money. Person need to make money for this life. If you don't get money, you don't go chop better thing. Hey! And Lord, what a shot.
Agidiba, wait! Look at!
Landlord, what is the problem again?
You're jacking woman.
Landlord, is it man I will jack before?
It's okay, there's no problem. How are you?
I'm fine.
She's looking beautiful.
Very, very sweet and beautiful. Tell me why you are here so you can start going.
Agidiba, the thing is that that Aboki that used to bring infection medicine for you, infection herbal, he just brought one today. He said I should keep it for you. That this one now will clear your infection perfectly. So it's in my parlor. I said, let me tell you.
Which Aboki are you talking about and which infection are you talking about?
Agidiba, don't you have infection again? You don't have infection again. Has he not told you that he has infection? He has not told you. Agidiba, you're wicked.
Landlord.
Wait. So you have infection?
Don't mind this man, he doesn't know what
he has it.
Thank God I've not even done anything with you. Take care.
Landlord, why are you doing this thing to me every time? Why don't you want to see me enjoy my life?
Agidiba, live enjoyment. Live enjoyment. Look at the kind of flashy gas you're carrying. You should make money before you carry this kind of gear. Simple.
Landlord! Fab.
Agidiba.
I have something that is a very big problem to me now, Fab.
Yeah, what is it?
Fab, you know that you are the agent that brought me to this house.
Yes.
If it's not because of you, I will not come to this house. I don't know why the landlord of this house will not allow me to rest. How? Every time I bring woman, I want to enjoy myself. Someone will come and say something that will make the girl go. Or he will collect the girl from me.
He has started the same thing with you too.
So you know that this man has his attitude.
You've seen it now. You just have to cope.
Nah, Fab, I cannot cope. How will I cope? Tell me.
Don't worry. As for woman, I'll give you another girl.
It's not a matter of bringing a girl for me. Where will I stay and this girl?
Don't worry. I'll give you my key. The key to my house so that you will go there. He will not come there.
Wait, you give me the key to your house?
And before you go, I will go and tell him that I'm traveling. So he will not know that something is happening in the house.
Now, Fab, you're a correct guy, yo. I don't know you're a guy too.
That is how it is. Before I do something of recently, I used to go and tell him that I'm traveling.
I can't bring that in. I have one sharp girl.
You have girl already.
Hey, I have one girl. You know, I still have one more spare girl.
Just go and bring her. I'll be sitting there.
Yeah, and I'll come and meet you in that your house.
Agidigba, you like woman. This is the key to my house. And please, don't make noise. I've already told landlord that I have traveled. So have it.
Fuck my man.
Be very fast.
Sorry for shouting.
Agidigba, where do you think you're going to? What do you think you're doing? So this is how you want to live your life. This is how you want to live your life. The girl you got pregnant just left here just about 2 hours ago with the parents and police. She was crying and they were looking for you. Now, you are now with another girl. You got Makwa here 12 years. You want to go and impregnate this one again?
Agidigba, did you impregnate any girl?
My brother, if I do, I will tell you.
Is this what you do? So any girl that comes around, you get her pregnant. And you want to get me pregnant too?
Babe, no. Calm down.
No. I'm not in for this. I'm not doing this. No.
Hi! Landlord, what have I done to you to deserve all these things every time?
Agidigba, get out.
Agidigba, my key. Sorry.
Hi! They happen. They have left me behind.
These people will not close gates, lock it. They'll be keeping it open. Abubakar. Agidigba,
Landlord.
is this a dog?
No, landlord, they are rabbits. Now, can't you see that they are just well-fed rabbits?
But they look like dog.
Okay, they look like dog. You will know if they are dogs when they bounce on you.
Agidigba, what did I do to you?
You have decided that I will know no peace. Landlord, you have decided that I will not enjoy myself in this compound. And for that, I will deal with you, landlord.
Agidigba, I was only joking.
Tokyo.
Hey! Agidigba, please. It has not come to this level.
Landlord, kneel down and beg me.
I said I'm sorry, oh.
Call me, sir.
Sir.
Call me, Dede.
Dede.
Call me, uncle.
Uncle.
Any day you see me, you have to greet me good morning, uncle. If you see me in the afternoon, make sure you greet me good afternoon, uncle. If you see me in the night, don't forget to say good evening, uncle. Or else, you can see what I'm holding, landlord. These two creatures will come after you, and I make sure they remove this your head.
Can I go inside?
Charity begins at home. Wanna greet me now?
Good afternoon, sir.
My dogs cannot hear you.
Uncle, good afternoon.
Landlord, you can now pass. Wanna move? I say run.
Good afternoon, Uncle.
I will. Me.
Agidigba is threatening me with dog in my own compound. Hey, oh me. Me of all people. Agidigba himself.
Landlord.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, landlord.
You're with dog.
Landlord, I can make one. Wow.
It's a cute dog.
Kiss dog, are they? Let me just throw, eh?
Well done, sir. Sasa. So this boy now is threatening me with dog. Dog boy. Agidigba, what have I done? You're not carrying dog.
So you don't want to greet me, landlord?
No.
You want to greet me now?
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon.